Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you chess tactics for intermediate players. I am going to show you 5 different chess tactics for intermediate players. Let's go to the tactics. Chapter 1. Okay. This particular pattern is first move is white turn. White wins by 2 moves only. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. Please find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay. Now the timer is running.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 1 answer. The timer is done. First move is white turn. In 2 moves, white won the game. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is rook cross g7 and check. Okay, then king cross g7. Then beautiful move make knight f5 and check and fork the queen. Sorry, fork the king in queen. This knight attack this king. In the same time, this knight attack this queen. Now king into moves, king move like this, then wrap the queen. That's it. That's why this game easily win white. Okay, we can go to the chapter 2. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 2. First move is white turn. How to white won the game in 2 moves only. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. Please share your answer below the comment section if you know the answer. Before the 15 seconds, you need to find the right answer and share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. This is very good chess tactics. Okay, we will go to the timer. The timer is running now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 2 answer. First move is white turn. White wins by came in 2 moves only. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is queen c3. Okay, queen go to c3. Now pin the queen. Now queen cross c3. Then knight cross e4 and check. Then totally now the king need to move. Then wrap the queen. That's it. Now white has so many pieces. That's why easily won the game white. Okay, we can go to the chapter 3. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is chapter 3. First move is black turn. Black won the game. I am going to give you the 15 seconds only. If do you know the answer before the 15 seconds, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay, the timer is running now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is chapter 3 answer. First move is black turn. Black won by this game in 2 moves. Okay, let's start with black check. Black queen go to a5 and beautiful check. Then black the check with knight c3. Now wrap the bishop. That's it. Okay, this is chapter 3. We can go to the chapter 4. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 4. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer this particular chess tactics. First move is white turn. In 2 moves, white won the game. Okay? Please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Okay? The timer is running now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Everyone, now I am going to give you the right answer this chapter 4. Okay. First move is white in. White won the game in 2 moves only. I am going to give you the right answer. First move is queen d5 and beautiful check to king. Okay. Now black the check with king. No, not black the check. King go to h8 and queen cross c5. That's it. Now wrap the bishop. That's why easily won the game white. Okay. Let's go to the chapter 5. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 5. First move is white in. White won the game in 2 moves only. After white won the game. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. Now you need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. Okay. The timer is running right now. You need to find the right answer. Okay. The timer is running. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Friends and chess lovers, this is my chess video answer in chapter 5. Let's start with first move is white and white won the game in 2 moves only. First move is knight d5. Now fork the rook and queen. Now sacrifice the knight. No, he cannot cut. Okay. We will see another move. Knight goes f6 and beautiful check. That's it. Now totally this game white easily won. Go back now. Another idea is knight d5. Then e cross d5. Then queen cross d5 and check. Then king need to move. King move like this. Then wrap the rook. This is the another technique. Okay. That's it today chess tactics. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.